Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a cute little milk carton. Super cute. So we're going to be making the theme as Kawaii pink in pink theme. So we're going to start with pink. We're going to start with this pink. And we're going to go with this pink. So I'm actually going to do a bit of a different of this. That's what I said, by the way, of this. And we're going to go into... I need to look for something. One sec. I think we can do sands. Oh, no, definitely. Okay, no, not cute. Okay, let's see. Let's go with a glossy pink on top. Then we're going to do these colors, but in their glossy form. Okay, I think this looks pretty cute. I don't really love the color, though. So, it's almost done. This should be okay. I am going to need pink, though. So, we're going to go to glossy pinks. And get hearts. Really? There. That gloss is just a little too much for me, so maybe like this? Yeah, that should be good. Okay. So, this is not really pink enough, so, and it needs a bit of texture, so, there we go, like that. And we're gonna go ahead and go with a pink background, because we need pink backgrounds. We need pink background. By the way, Squishy Magic, please make more pink backgrounds. Like, there's barely any. I think I'm going to have to use this one. Okay, bye guys. Satisfying. Bye guys.